We have another beautiful Harley-Davidson in here for a 4-speaker audio package installed by Davidson Audio here at the shop in beautiful Panama City, Florida. Real quick so I can jump off this camera because I know y'all love to just look at the bikes, not my mug. So this is a 2022 Ultra Limited Street Glide. What I call them is it's a touring street glide. Customer's wife actually got a hold of us, bought this for a gift for him. So we're doing a Davidson Audio 4-speaker audio package, fairing and tour pack with some upgrades. Let's show you the bike and then we're gonna get it in the bay, get the install done and show you all some progress along the way. As I said, 2022 Ultra Limited Touring Street Glide. This one I do believe is a special. It's got a nice Harley paint job on it. Looks really, really good. I think they did an awesome job tying it all in together. But anyways, what we're doing on this bike, NVS Audio T harness, Cicada Audio FLX 1400.4P DSP amplifier. We're going to flash the radio. For the sounds flash, we're putting the Cicada Audio CH65.4 V2s in the fairing. We're going to keep the Harley-Davidson billet grill. NVS Audio AK2 power ground kit. In the tour pack, we're going to be doing the Cicada Audio CXX 6.5s with their billet grills. And that's going to wrap up this build. It's going to be very, very simple, but it's going to sound phenomenal. The gentleman is EOD. So with, the being exposed to loud noises for so long, he wanted a nice loudspeaker in the fairing, so that's why we're going with the CHs, and then we can fine-tune it in there for him. So let's get this in the bay. Oh, before I forget, we're adding the Eagle LED bag filler lights right there to add more tail light to the bike. We have them on our shop. Harley absolutely love them, gives you more visibility. So let's get this in the bay, get it all torn apart, and then we'll show you along the install. I want to continue keeping you all in the loop on these progress of these bikes. So we've now got this bike fully disassembled. Everything is paint protected from the saddlebags, lid, side covers, fairing, gas tank cover as well. Put a piece on the lower. So everything is taken off. This is a non-amplified bike. So we're going to be putting our FLX 1400.4P right up here. CH is up in these fairings. And yes, we will be putting all 5 of these bolts back in. That's a common thing that we see when people work on these bikes. They'll leave these out, but put these up as those are actually really pain in the butt down there. But we're not going to do that. 309 custom audio shroud here. We're going to be doing the AK2 kit, so fuse holder right here, up the backbone, upgraded ground, so a 1-aught from the battery to the frame. All of our grounds from there. And the aftermarket speakers up here. So, we can't forget we're adding the filler lights right there, so we're going to get at it. And the power of being 100% transparent with our customers and our viewers, here's the bike all done minus the fairing and the tank and the seat put on. So again, Cicada Audio 1400.4P, Cicada Audio amp rack. We got the NVS Audio T harness all zip tied up nice and tight. We are using NVS Audio's harness for the tour pack and the OEM speaker pods. And actually, I'm probably gonna put one more zip tie right there. I don't like that. We also put shrink tube on these now, so that way we know which one's 1 and 2 and which one's 3 and 4. Yep. White is front left, green is rear left. We've got the RCAs and the extra parts of the harness in there. 309 custom audio shroud, and then we cut that small slit in there. Sorry. For the headlight connector. We just realized that it was a little easier to do that, so we actually stick that through there, so that way when the fairing goes on, pushes up against it. Left the OEM grills because these Harley metal ones are really nice. Cicada Audio CH 65.4 V2s up in the fairing. GTS radio that we are flashing. Power ground, ran up the backbone. Nice and tight up against there. There's plenty of clearance on here for the bars to turn. My biggest piece of advice when people do street glides is whatever side you're pulling your power ground to, we usually do the brake side. Pull the fairing the opposite way. That way, that's the most max stretch that you would need for your powering ground or whatever wiring it is. Speaker wire, same thing. If you're going that side, pull the fairing towards you, so cock it the opposite way. so that way you know the max stretch of your wires and you don't end up guitar stringing it. Upgraded ground right there. That's a 1-aught from there to the battery. We scraped the metal and used dielectric grease on it. 4-gauge power here comes around to our fuse holder right here. Waterproof 4-gauge fuse holder. Goes right at the backbone right in. Cicada Audio CXXs with the billet grills. The customer opted for those to match the best we could to those. And then we also added the Eagle LED bag lights right there, the bag fillers. That way it gives them even more light. So let's get this all wrapped up, and the next time you see it, we'll be outside going over the build, letting you hear it and see what the customer's thoughts are. All right, yet again, I didn't wear my sunglasses, and it's super bright here in Florida, but it's not about me, it's about this customer's 2022 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited here. We did a complete 4-speaker. That's what happens when you don't wear glasses. Enough of me, let's just show you the bike and talk about it and listen to the customer's on his way. As I've already shown you behind the scenes, everything, all the stuff being installed. But again, if you missed that or skipped through it, up here, Cicada Audio FLX 1400.4P. The P is for processor. It's got a built-in DSP. Use the NVS Audio T-harness. Flash the GTS radio that came on this. With the sounds flash, you get a clean signal out. And then also activated the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for the customer. Cicada Audio CH 6.5 V2s up in the fairing. Cicada Audio billet grills with the CXX 6.5s to complete this system for an awesome, amazing sounding 4-speaker audio build. So let's let you listen to it, and then the customer will be here in a bit to get his bike. We'll see what his thoughts are.
Where the light at, remind me. If you looking for it, you know where to find me. You ain't paying for me, so you can't decline me. Can't go to the devil, get behind me. Break, throw it up, can't throw enough. Break bread with my people, we gon' pull it up. If your price too high, you ain't been low enough. If you ain't had a ooh wee, then you can't run with us. What's the word? Look alive, what's the business? Ooh wee. Can't believe God did it, ooh wee. Lord forgive me, I was tripping, ooh wee. Can't believe God did it, ooh wee.
For this customer's install, I don't know, I think it sounds amazing. I love the Harley Tour Packs. I think the angle of the speaker is absolutely amazing. Sounds great for the customer, for his passenger. So let's see what the customer's thoughts are. Customer is here to pick up his beautiful 2022 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited. We did, like I said, the complete 4-speaker with the FLX 1400.4P. That's what we put in our shop bikes. We're gonna see what his thoughts are, because he's got these beautiful Tour Pack speakers, which we don't have. I mean, I could put the Tour Pack on, but we got it off. So we're gonna see what his thoughts are and let him get on the road.
Just turning on the bike, the sound is amazing, and I like the way they custom do it to your person. So if you ever need anything done on your bike with the audio, come on down here to Davidson Audio.
Appreciate it, good sir. As always, if you're in the market for the best aftermarket audio solution for your Harley, Indian, Motorcycle Period. Come check us out in beautiful Panama City, Florida. We'd be happy to help you. God bless all of you. Have a great day, and please ride safe.